To you all out there, friends, family, well-wishers, supporters, and everybody around the world, including you, yes, you watching me right now. This video is exclusively meant for all of you out there. Whether you are close to me or you know me from a distance, whatever you are to me, whether you're my friend, my brother, my sister, my auntie, my uncle, my staff, whatever you are, in whatever capacity you know me from, this video is for you. So stay with me till the end. So I have an information for you all that have refused, or perhaps you've not yet bought the tickets to my two mega events, Date Night with Elegant and my album listening party. Actually, these two events is interestingly happening in one day, which is on Sunday 15th of December 2024 by 5 p.m. prompt. I'm doing this video today to announce to you all that you're about to miss a lot. Since you have not bought the tickets to my event, check out what you're about to miss. Here is a rundown of how the event is going to be like. So the first thing you're going to be missing if you do not attend this event is our lots of cash prize to be won. So the first category of cash prize that we are actually giving out is a deal worth over 500,000 naira for a lucky artist. And also, that's not all. We also have 50,000 naira cash to be won by a lucky guest, which of course may be a single or a couple of the night. So if you are attending that event, you are eligible to walk away on that night with 15,000 naira cash, courtesy the Real Kisses and Hugs and the Date Night with Elegant. So tell me, is that what you want to miss? Now wait until I get you to the end of this video because we have a lot more. Number 2, the games. Alright, so we are infusing the best fun games in this event, from speed dating to Truth or Dare to 20 questions to Never Have I Ever, the ultimate games for couples, Final Fantasy, and lots more. I know some of you don't even know these games and how it is. Listen, that's the most reason you have to be at the Date Night with Elegant, because the kind of fun we are going to have in this event. If you're watching me right now and you did not buy your tickets, oh God, please just contact us right now and get your tickets because you don't want to miss out. Number 3, the matchmaking segment. So this is for singles. So if you're watching me right now and you're still single, or maybe you're in a relationship with someone you do not like, then come to Date Night with Elegant and let's help match you with that one person that would love, respect, and treasure you. See, listen, my friend, life is actually too short to waste your days in an unhappy relationship with someone. Alright, so the number 4 is that we are going to be learning a lot. So in this event, we are going to have people, professionals from all walks of life coming together to share their life experiences to us. And also they are going to educate us with the latest tips, tricks, and hacks for a much more successful relationship with your partner. So tell me, how about the music performances from very talented artists? How about the dance, the comedy, the food, the drinks, and so much fun in that event? Guys, trust me when I say an event has never tasted this good. What more do you want? So, this is me officially inviting everybody. Yes, you watching me right now. I am officially inviting you to this event. And also, I am insisting that you have to be a part of this event. Guys, this might just be your own way of supporting me. This is the time I am calling for you to come support me, because you never can tell. You might be in need of me pretty soon. Be a part of this. Be a part of this vision. Be a part of the Elegant Empire dream. Please, all you have to do is contact us right now. Pick up your ticket for this event and be a part of this event. Regular goes for 5,000 naira only. The VIP goes for 20,000 naira, and then the table for 4, just in case you want to come with your friends and family. Table for 4 goes for 30,000 naira only. And also, if you're watching me right now and you feel like sponsoring this event in any capacity, feel free to contact us right now and send in your sponsorship, because the Date Night with Elegant is not just a one-time event. It is a continuous event that is going to be happening every month, because this is a vision and a dream to impact our generation positively, and it must come to life. Thank you very much for being a part of this event. Thank you very much for supporting the Elegant Empire dream. Together, there is nothing that is impossible for us to achieve.